Hello, I'm Paul Zajac, founder of Elastic Steel, method of athletic conditioning. Today I'm going to follow up on the last video. In the last video we talked about the dips and how to get the chest more involved into the dips, especially if you're looking for the chest size and growth. Today's question is about the push-ups. Can the push-ups do the same thing? In other words, we brought the arms wider on the dips, the chest got involved. We do the push-ups, bring the arms a little bit wider, does the chest get involved? Well, of course, if you're here, you're going to get more triceps, actually to the point where you can almost do triceps here, almost. As you start bringing the arms out, you're going to get less flexion in your elbow, so you're going to get less triceps, and as you get less triceps, you're going to get other muscles to pitch in more, which is your shoulders and your chest. Now, what happens is as you go wider and wider and wider, you begin to lose range of motion. So if I'm doing push-ups this wide, this is my range of motion. Notice the difference. From here, this is my range of motion. From here, this is my range of motion, because once my arm is here, the chest is in the way. As I bring it even wider, I begin to do this. Okay? Or I just begin to hold an isometric position here. If I hold that isometric position, the friction on the floor, if you do it on the floor, not on the rings, or even on something like this, the friction is going to help. And all you're going to be doing is holding that position, which is not very difficult. Yes, the chest is going to work primarily isometrically. Remember, we want to take it to full range of motion also. So for the dips, if you do it close like this or narrow, you get a lot of stretch in that chest. You bring it a little bit wider, you might get just a little bit less. It doesn't matter, because the dips is a movement that takes the chest into the full stretch anyway, especially the lower chest. So you get that there. With the push-ups, it's not the same thing. You can't possibly bring your arms behind there, even if you do it on something like this. Okay, even if you do it on the push-up bars, you can bring a little behind there, but now you're going to get your shoulders in danger, because they're not designed to horizontally extend that far safe. You can extend them that much, but you can't really horizontally extend them that much safely, at least for most people. Okay, so if we do the push-ups here once again, about this wide, okay, what we end up doing is just small movement, pretty dangerous for the shoulder, and that small movement is not really going to do that much for the chest, so it doesn't apply exactly the same way for the push-ups as it does for the dips. I'm Paul Zajac, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos on strength training, bodyweight training, weight training, and bodybuilding. Thank you for watching.